My friend Ravan is doing her homework and she don't want to guys to see her uh, um also what again? Homework and she don't want to like see the YouTube people mustn't see her but I want to show you guys. guys, she's very look her. Look there guys, my friend Ravan.
Man, you're boring.
Maak je werk klaar, Robin, man. Ik wil afstaan toe.
Ja, dat moet die video maken.
Kom aan, Robin.
Kijk hier.
Shut up, girl.
Als je naast me in staan.
That's not my sister's hand sign. Look yours, girl. Do this already. Okay, guys, I'm gonna sew in the mirror because it's broken and she broke, my friend broke it. Look at this. My phone is looking like this. And like this, guys, it's broken, guys, and I will show you. That's how my real face like, look, guys. And I will show you now my real face, guys. But I can talk Afrikaans too. Tell you something Afrikaans and you must please. Guys, I have TikTok Studio, but it doesn't work. So you must learn me how to the TikTok Studio can do. Robin McClaman and
Go.
we are going to the field and we will go and play there Thursday is Easter, happy Easter guys. And Friday's not school, Monday's not school, my Monday is Tuesday's school guys. And I love it. But please subscribe and comment. The story is very funny and I like Afrikaans. And like this video. Subscribe, please, guys. But my friend Raban doesn't want to. Oopsie, I'm phone. But my friend Raban, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at all, guys. You must read this, guys. It's very small. It's very ugly. Look at our house, guys. So then your house.
I did not draw it.
This you. I saw you in the class. You drew it, Robin.
I didn't draw it.
You are great.